So I'll be introducing you to the app which we will be using for analysis. It's a tool that helps traders to make analysis. You can also trade directly by linking your exchange to the app, and it's called TradingView. So I'm going to download TradingView right now. I'm going into my Play Store. I'll just click on TradingView, and then when I click on it, it's going to tell me to what? Open. I already have the app on my device. Okay, so it's going to tell me to what? Open. And I'll click on open right now. And then here we are actually on TradingView. If you want to actually sign up, you just simply come here, click on menu. Just click on menu right there. Click on menu. See, I'm signed in already, so that's why it's telling me to sign out. In your own case, it will tell you to what? Sign up. Okay, so basically that's just it. So right here, I'm just going to show you a brief overview of this app before I take you into step-by-step process on how to use this app for making simple analysis. Okay, before we take it a step further. Now we have here the watch list. These are watch lists, different currencies, different assets. We have silver, gold, US oil. You can add to the list. Okay, let's say BTC, DT. I'm just giving you a simple example of how this works. Okay, good. So now we have our watch list, right? Good. So you can see I added BTC to my watch list, and whenever I come here, it's going to be easy for me to just maneuver my way around. So you can add as many watch lists you can have, any coin you want. Now let me tell you guys something, one secret here. It is safer to trade one particular coin and master it. Not necessarily one particular coin, but don't trade too many coins. Understand the rudiments of one coin and know how that coin operates. Me, I trade mostly BTC. I trade BTC, I trade TRB, I trade CHZ, I trade Ethereum, and I trade Bitcoin dominance. I love that coin on Binance so much. It's one of my favorite because it's actually so easy to predict. Now, I've talked about where are we? I've talked about the watch list, right? Now, I'm going to head over to the menu section back again, which is somewhere around here, which is this guy right here. Okay, so I'm going to head over to menu, and then you can see here we have the settings. Just leave it like this. You don't need to change anything. Okay, you don't need to change anything. You can see your subscription plan is right here. I'm on a premium monthly plan. You can come here, select the plan you want. You can come, if you're already on a plan, you can say change plan. The one I'm on now is like 27k every month. So you decide the version you want to go for. The pro version will give you just look at it. The pro version will give you, it's for 6,850. The benefits, 5 indicators per chart, 2 charts in one. Let me just circle this so you see it clearly. This is the pro version. It's going to give you, it's going for 6,850 here, and you can have 5 indicators per chart, which is not bad. Then the pro plus is 13,005. Okay, it's for intraday technical analysis for day traders looking to take things to the next level. Okay, so you have 10 indicators per chart, 4 charts in one layout, which is not bad. From the look of things, it's not bad. And then you have the premium package. I use this because I give signals, so I need this. I need it terribly because sometimes I can have up to 4 or 5 charts on my screen. Okay, so analyze, I need this one a lot. You may necessarily not need this. Okay, and all of that. So this is for subscription, and here you have the dark theme. You have the dark theme right here. It's right here. Can you see it? Draw this thing away for you. You have the dark thing. Can you see it? Now, if I should click on this, if I should toggle it on, it's going to tell me welcome to dark theme. Now you can see my screen is what? Black right now. Alright, so I'm going to toggle this off again. It says welcome to the light side. Alright, now you have your alert log. Now, I have a lot of alerts I place on different coins here. Okay, using the premium version, it gives me access to place a lot of alerts on certain coins. Okay, so basically that's what the alert logs is for. Now you can come here, you say refer a friend. You can come here if you want people to refer, to sign up with your link, you can do that, but we're not here for that. We're here for real business. So basically this is what you get on the free on the TradingView itself. Now back to watch list. Now can you see that you can now add as many symbols as you want? You can add as many symbols as you want to your watch list. Okay, so now we're heading over to chart. Let's see what the chart looks like. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So now here is our chart, and this is what our chart looks like. I have a lot of indicators plotted up here because I trade so many concepts. I trade SMC, I trade liquid, I trade divergence, I trade sentiment, I trade a whole lot of things, right? But it depends on what the market is showing me. If the market is showing me that there's a lot of sentiment going on in the market, I use my sentiment strategies. If they are showing me that there's a lot of liquidity, I use my liquidity strategies and I go in as a whale and then I trade. So that's what we do. All right, now, so basically, this is what your chart looks like. Now, you can see right here, we have different things. Okay, see, let me show you guys something right now. We have different things right here. Can you see this? See different icons. Now, to be honest, yeah, you don't really need all of these things when you are trading. You don't necessarily need all of these things. But I'm going to show you the essentials, I mean the tools that you'll be needing to make your analysis, to draw your trend line, to draw your support and resistance, the arrow symbol, and all of those things that you really do need to get going with trading. Okay, how to plot your indicators and what all of these things stands for. All right, so I'm going to go through them one after the other right now. So follow me. So the very first on the list is this one right here. Is this. Now you can see right there we have APE USDT. Can you see it? We have APE USDT, APE USDT. Now this is a pair. Can you see it? This is what a pair. Now if I'm going to click on this, it will show different pairs. So I can change the pair I want to change here. I can just simply type BTC USDT. Now when I do this, look at, it's showing Binance, meaning the BTC on Binance. Can you see it? Good. Now when I do this, I just click on BTC. The chart automatically changes. It changes back to what? BTC. Can you see it? Interesting. Is this not interesting? Honestly, is this not interesting? It is actually. So it changes back to BTC. Now, the next thing you want to look at is the time frame. Now, remember, you should know that time frame is showing you what price action is doing after every candle closes. Okay? The time period it takes for a candle to close, that's the time frame. So here is what we call the time frame. You can see one 3M. 3M means 3 minutes. I know the scalpers in the house will like this a lot because they like scalping, quick profit, sharp, sharp. All right, now 3 minutes. We can actually change this from 3 minutes to any time frame. You can see we have seconds. Let me show you. You see, trading is interesting. You see, we have seconds, we have minutes, we have hours, we have days. You see it? Interesting stuff. Now I want to put this on 1 hour time frame. I'm clicking 1 hour now. So you see the chart is going to display showing me what is happening after every 1 hour. Can you see this? After every 1 hour, one candle will what? Open. One candle will open. One candle will open, or one candle will close. Do you understand? So basically, this is time frame. So this is where you select your time frame. Let me go back again and show you. That's where you select your what? Time frame. Now, this right here is where you choose if you want it to be candlesticks or you want um to use the line. Now let me tap on it and show you what I'm saying. Now what exactly do you want? Do you want to use the normal candlestick as your chart type? This is chart type. Look at this here. Your chart type. So how do you want price to be represented? Basically, do you want it to be represented in candlesticks or hollow candles? Okay, or hollow candles. Let's see what hollow candles look like. You see, it has changed. Or you want it to be in line like this. You see it? Or you want it to be in area, or you want it to be in Hikinashi. I like this a lot when I'm scalping because it shows me a bunch of things. Actually shows me a bunch of stuff. So you can actually move it from Hikinashi to any candlestick, but preferably leave it at the normal Japanese candle, which is just leave it at the normal candles, okay, which is this one here. Leave it, don't alter this. That's why I told you from the jump that you don't really need a lot of things to know on this particular trading setup. All right, you don't need a lot. You just need to understand the rudiments and how to use and utilize the information you already have on TradingView. Okay, so let me go back and change this to tag team. Hopefully it becomes finer. Yeah, so can you see my screen? Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. You like this? I know you like this. All right, so let's go. So the next on the list is your date range. Leave this at default. You don't have to alter this. Okay, you don't have to alter this. The next we'll be talking about is this right here. Now this is your toolbox. It's more like that. This is why you are called a technical analyst. These are the things you'll be using to analyze. They are your tools, okay, that you'll be using to make analysis. So I'm going to click on this right now. You can see it's going to show a lot of tools. It's going to show a lot of tools that you'll be needing. A whole lot of tools. You have a whole lot of them. But the most interesting part is that you won't be needing all of these things. Trust me. You won't be needing all of these things. The major ones you'll be needing are your trend line tools. You'll be needing your trend line. You're going to be needing your trend line. Of course, you need your arrow, just in case you need that. You need your, let me scroll up. You're going to be needing your horizontal line. This is just my own way of trading. Needing your horizontal line, your cross line, obviously, your parallel line if you want to, and you're going to be needing your fib retracement. We'll talk about that where we go into details. All right, you'll be needing your fib retracement, which is for Fibonacci, and this is your fib retracement here. Okay, you'll be needing this, and then what else? Of course, you'll be needing this as well. Rectangle. You can, all these are just highlighting or rather geometric shapes. experienced traders don't even use all these things. You get? They don't use all these so many jargons. Just know your trend line, know how to draw your trend line. That drawing your trend line is the most important thing. Okay, and knowing where to map your profit target, knowing where to map your stop loss. All right, so basically that's what you'll be needing. Okay, so we'll be going through all of these important ones one after the other. All right, now so that's for that. So the next which we want to consider is what we call the indicator section. Indicator section. Now, I'm trying to simplify this course to make it very, very simple for you to understand. All right? The things that I know as a trader you will need. There's no point coming here to show display of knowledge or anything. Just go straight to the point so we don't waste your time. Now, this is the indicator section. This FX, you see. When you want to plot indicators, you come here, you type your indicator. If it's moving average, let's say you want to plot EMA 50, moving average exponential, you want to plot it, you just go there, type it, and your indicator is set up. When we get to the indicator section, we'll talk about that. All right, good. So that's it for this. Okay, that's it for this. So let's go over to this. Now this is the compare symbol. And when you want to plot two people, those of you who do pair trading, you should know this and you should be using this. Okay, when you actually want to put two charts or two different assets on one particular screen or one layout, you use this. All right, now so basically these are just some of the important things that you need. All right, now over here you want to split your screen. Let's say you want to look at different things. You can just come here, click on that. Okay, just click on it, and to show you all the layout type, you can split your screen into different layouts. Let's say I want to split my screen like this. You can see my screen now is in two sections. I have one here, I have another one here, and it's actually working perfectly. It's working perfectly fine. I can shrink this one, I can also shrink this one, but this will only work when you have a tab like me. If you don't have a tab, it may not work. You understand? It may not work. So basically this is just how it works. All right, so I'm going to put my screen back. Then if you come over here, here's for alert. Here's for what? Alert. Here, this guy right here. Sorry I'm saying this guy, but just I'm used to that. So right here we'll have our alert. If we click on this, you see all the alerts we've set from A to Z. It's more like an alert log where all the alerts you have are what present. So I have about 44 alerts on different coins. So if I build a setup, I'll set my alerts. TradingView will notify me. I'll teach you how to do all of those things. Not rocket science. All right. So we're done with that. So basically, this is just how TradingView works, and it's quite an interesting app actually. So now let me go back again to my dark theme and switch it back to the lights mode, and let there be lights. And there was light. So can you see it? Interesting, isn't it? Interesting, pretty interesting. So guys, in the next video I'll be teaching you how to draw your simple trend line. In fact, we're going to be talking about trend line formation. What is a trend line? How do you identify a trend line? What indicators do you use to plot your trend lines? I'm going to be teaching you this right in the next video. Don't go nowhere, guys. This is MJ Crypto.